my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing 2 different hot tools. I'm actually gonna be recording this on 2 different days because I don't wanna curl my hair and straighten my hair in one day. So in the first part of this video, I'm going to be curling my hair, and then later, another day, I'm going to be trying out the straightener to see how that works, and I'm also gonna be recording that. So I just got these hot tools in from a company called Hi, but it's actually spelled H-A-I. I mentioned these on my Instagram story, so if you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen these. So what I have here is a straightener. This is a gold convertible limited edition professional styling iron, and it's 1 1/4 of an inch. So I'm not using this today, so I'm not gonna talk too much about it. I will talk about it when I use it. Today I'm going to be curling my hair with this. This is the Silk Styler 1-inch curling iron, and it says it's with damage control technology. So let's get this open and see what it's all about. I love the box. It's so cute, so artistic looking. It kind of reminds me of one of those adult coloring pages. So I'm going to check out what it says here and see what it's all about. So it says, revolutionize your curls, create radiant, healthy curls with this silk wrapped curling iron featuring innovative damage control technology. It's a professional salon grade digital curling iron with a 1-inch barrel with damage control technology for healthy styled hair, fully adjustable heating up to 450 degrees for fast, easy styling, advanced ceramic heater for ultra fast constant heat with fast recovery, auto shut off after 60 minutes for worry-free styling, universal voltage. I love anything that has an automatic shut off because I'm the type that leaves and then I'm like, did I unplug that straightener? Oh my god. It has a super long 360 professional power cord and comes with a 1-year warranty. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. Oops, another paper. So this just gives you some product tips and shows you what temperature you should use for whatever style of hair you have. I like to break the rules a little bit though and use a little higher heat even though I shouldn't. Anyways, okay, so let's check out this curling iron. I haven't actually even used it yet. I just took it out and looked at it yesterday, so it's gonna be a first impression to see how this curling iron works on my hair. So this is what it looks like, and it really does have a different look that I have not seen before. This is very interesting looking. I wonder what that little plate's all about. I don't know. But we've got an on button in the middle here underneath the, what do you call that, a pincher? And then there is a negative and a positive sign to turn the heat up or turn it lower. I'm going to take these little plastic things off here. It looks like it's going to be a little screen, maybe to show you temperature and whatnot. So let's get this baby plugged up. I did clip in one 4-clip hair extension. I'm using my Kyla hair extensions. They are literally my favoriteest hair extensions. I am absolutely loving them. I've been using them for a long time now and I love them. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to brush out my hair a little bit. I'm actually going to clip up this top part here and clip it over on the other side. Okay, so it's heated up and I'm ready to get started. Let's see how this little curling iron works. All right, so I'm going to clamp it on and just roll it up. If you hear those noises outside, it's all of the construction going on. And there is one curl. I really love that this iron has this really thick plastic piece at the top so you can hold it and you won't burn yourself. So I'm someone who has used a lot of curling irons in the past, and I can tell right away that this one feels very different. I don't know what it is about it. This part on my hand feels so smooth, so comfortable, so nice. And then something about this barrel when I put my hair through it and I pull it down like that, sometimes curling irons kind of grip the hair, which kind of causes a little tug, a little pull. But this one feels like silky for some reason. Like literally, me doing that with that clamp closed, it feels super smooth. I guess it's something to do with the way the barrel is made or however it's plated, but it feels really nice. The entire curling iron feels really nice in my hands. Okay, so I'm actually officially done. I'm looking over this way because my mirror's right here. Let me shake it just a little bit. And this is what the back of my hair looks like. So I'm going to tease just a little bit at my roots to get a little volume up here. Okay, so I am officially done with my hair. And as you can see, I don't have really tight curls. The curls are more loose, but that is because today I was not trying to go for tight curls. If you want a tighter curl, you would want to use smaller pieces and leave the iron on your hair longer. If you want something more flowy and loose, you would use bigger pieces and you wouldn't leave the iron on your hair as long. So overall, I really like this curling iron. I like that it goes up to that high temperature just in case I need it, girl. And I really like the feel of it in my hand. So the next part of the video, you will be seeing me straighten my hair with the straightener and we will see how that goes. Okay, so welcome to the second part of the video where I'm going to be reviewing and trying out the hair straightener. As you can see, I look a little different today because I didn't feel like putting eye makeup and all that on, but I put like some concealer and some blush and highlight. I think I overdid it. I also got a little sun today. Yesterday, it actually started getting warm, and by today, it was like in the 80s, and I was like, thank you, Jesus. So I sat out a little bit, and that is what I got. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that and that. Not what I was going for, but it happened. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out this limited edition professional styling iron, and I can't wait to use it and see how it straightens my hair. So this is what it looks like. It's got off and on button, it's got the LED light, and it's got the temperature control here, and a really nice wire. So I'm going to plug it up and let it start getting heated up, and I'm going to do something with this crazy hair. I didn't put any special products in my hair today. I did just use a blow dry spray, so it's like a heat protectant, and I mostly let my hair air dry, so it's just kind of looking a little funky, but hopefully this straightener is gonna hook me up with some smooth looking hair, girl. Okay, so don't try this at home, but whenever I'm using a hair product to know if it's like heated up, you obviously wouldn't touch it, so how else are you gonna know? I just kind of like stick it near my face and feel the heat, and I'm like, huh, it's ready. I don't really take too much time when I'm straightening my hair because my hair is already straight, obviously. And basically what I'm trying to do is just kind of calm it down a little bit, you know, like smooth out those little flyaways and frizzy parts and just make my hair look sleek and smooth. I'm going over it a bunch of times because it's actually not heated up all the way, and I'm just like getting a feel for this iron. I love the way this straightener is flowing through my hair. I have problems sometimes with straighteners. Actually, I think I said this about the curling iron yesterday. You can kind of feel like a grip or a tug, and sometimes it'll leave like a little crease or something, and it works every nerve in my body because then I have to re-straighten it. But this one just like glides through so nicely. Okay, so I am done with the bottom part of my hair, and now it's time to start on this little top part, and hopefully this did not give me a stupid crease. I will be so mad. Bam, I am officially done. Girl, my hair looks so smooth and silky and shiny. So this is the back of my hair. So overall, I actually really like this straightener. There's no grip, no tug, does not leave no creases in my hair. It heated up pretty quickly and my hair doesn't feel like fried or damaged or dry. It feels so nice and I think it looks great. Okay, and now the moment I have been waiting for is right now. So I'm so excited to announce that the company that sent me these products for a review, the curling iron and the straightener, they're both from a company called High Beauty Concepts, and they have offered to host a giveaway here on my channel. So there's going to be 2 winners. 2 of you out there is going to win, drum roll please, both of the products I just reviewed, the curling iron and the straightener. I'm just so excited and so happy that this company offered to do a giveaway for all of my wonderful viewers. So now it's time for the rules and how to enter to win. Number 1, it's US only. Number 2, you have to be 13 or older. Number 3, I really would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, then thank you, girl. And then lastly, as usual, all you have to do is let me know that you want to win down in the comments below. You can obviously say whatever you feel like saying, but just make sure somewhere in that comment you say, I want to win, or I would love to win, or say it however you feel like it. Just make sure and let me know that you want to win. So yay! 2 winners, 2 awesome prizes. Curling iron, straightener. 2 winners are going to win both of these awesome products. Can you tell I'm like literally so excited about this? I love to be able to give back to my viewers, so I just think it's awesome. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to know, just curious, do you guys like my hair better straight or curly? Maybe you could like put that somewhere in the comment too, like do you like my hair straight or curly? What do you think looks better? That would be interesting to know your opinion. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know that you want to win these 2 prizes. 2 of you are going to win both of these. Both of them. Curling iron and a straightener. 2 people, 2 winners, 2 prizes. So excited. You're going to get both of these. Seriously. It's not a joke. Oh man, I just got close up to this camera and realized 2 things. 1, my eyebrows, they still need prayer, y'all. And 2, I may have been blurry this whole time. Maybe. Nothing I can do about it now, but maybe. Okay, ending this video. Cut, 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 cut.